The benefits of an Indian diet for weight loss. Some North Indian dishes may be delectable to the taste buds but can contain more than your recommended daily allowance within one serving. Some of these delicious dishes include butter chicken, dal makhani, chicken biryani and many others. With all these dishes that are laden with butter and fats, it may be hard to lose weight. However, there is an Indian diet for weight loss that can limit your calorie intake to just 1,200 calories in a day. Before breakfast, lemon water that has been slightly warmed, black tea with no sugar, -2 Marie biscuits. Breakfast, -1 glass of skimmed milk with a teaspoon of sugar, -2 besan chilla or 1 piece of Upma brown bread. Mid-morning, medium bowl of fruit salad. Lunch, 1 bowl of salad made up of mixed vegetables. Small bowl of vegetable raita. Medium-sized bowl of vegetable khichdi. Evening, cup of black tea. -2 wheat-based rusks. Dinner, -2 misir tea. Medium-sized bowl of mixed vegetables. 1 small bowl of curd. The total calories of this diet come up to 1,200 within a day. The diet is easy to follow and all that is needed is perseverance, dedication and discipline. You will need to keep in mind that your body requires a certain amount of calories in a day to function and to keep healthy. Your calorie requirements will be based on a number of factors. Some of these will include your metabolism, medical conditions, your age, sex and your activity levels. When you want to lose weight in a healthy way, you will need to begin by calculating your BMR, which is known as. When you work out your BMR, you will be able to determine the amount of calories your body will need to function and then to lose excess weight. The sample of the Indian diet for weight loss is a basic idea of a diet you should be on if your daily calorie intake works out to 1,200. However, it is always highly advisable to seek the advice of a doctor or dietitian to determine your correct calorie intake needs. If you start a diet that is too low in calories for your body type, you may run the risk of malnutrition. This can mean that you may see the weight reduction results you are looking for, but your body will not be in a state of health. This could lead to further complications at a later stage, and you will end up picking up the weight you have lost along with extra weight due to an underactive metabolism. Your body will store the food you eat for energy reserves, which are stored in the form of fat. Always ensure that you are getting enough nutrition on a daily basis.